Welcome back everyone. Today we're taking a day trip to discover the ancient city of Évora. Before we reach the ancient city walls, our journey takes us through the modern district of Parque das Nações, a brilliant contrast to Lisbon's historic center. From there, we get onto the stunning Vasco da Gama Bridge, the gateway to Portugal's interior. As we leave the city behind, we enter the Alentejo region, a vast and beautiful area known as the breadbasket of Portugal. This region is also a major cork producer, and as you can see, the cork oak trees dot the landscape. It was incredible to see these trees up close, a reminder of the local handicrafts we would see later in our tour. Our tour begins right here, at Évora's ancient city wall. This is a powerful first impression, as it immediately tells you that you're in a very old place. Évora has been a city since 57 BC, when it was a thriving center in the Roman Empire.
And he loved the Jesuits, so he called the Jesuits to teach here in Évora. And that's why everyone would come to Évora to study, more than in Lisbon, because this was like a very highly recommended university. And look, can you see the yellow of the houses that I was telling you? The saffron yellow. Whenever you see those letters, IHS, that means Jesuit.
Just a quick reminder, in my last video, we explored the incredible University of Évora with its history and unique Baroque tile classrooms. Today, we're going to dive into the rest of the city's amazing history.
The main entrance with the shield, that's for Almeida family, Eugenio da Almeida Foundation. They have a foundation where they help children to become artists, and they are olive oil and wine producers. So they amongst the most important people here. The tower, it dates back from the Moorish times, from 700s. So this is a part of the wall that is one of the oldest parts of the wall. And you can see, look at the stones. And look at this, this is so beautiful, the building up here. This was an old convent, the beautiful building in yellow and white, and nowadays it's a luxury hotel.
Our next stop is a true testament to that Roman past. Here are the stunning remnants of Évora's ancient Roman Forum. Today, we call this the Roman Temple of Évora, and it's a beautiful centerpiece to the Garden of Diana. It's an incredible feeling to stand here looking at these Roman columns that have been here for over 2,000 years.
Middle Ages. They put some walls between the columns, and they made a slaughterhouse for the cattle, to kill the cattle. This was the slaughterhouse for the cattle. the locals started to believe that this would have been a temple dedicated to Diana because she was the hunting goddess. So that means that people really didn't know the origin of this, but because for centuries that's where they killed the cattle, people started to say, oh, this was dedicated to Diana Forum. But nowadays we call it the Temple of Diana. This is actually the forum nowadays, but for the students, so that they can have meetings. But once upon a time, it was the Inquisition Palace. Inquisition, as you know, it was founded by the Spanish kings to basically kill everyone that was not Catholic. That was their palace, the Inquisition Palace. But nowadays, it's another thing. Then Petrusha. It's an enoteque. That's where you can eat and try wines, taste wines, different wines as well.
Right next to the temple, we have the majestic Évora Cathedral. It's the largest medieval cathedral in Portugal, with construction beginning in the 12th century. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to go inside today, but its grand exterior alone is a beautiful sight to behold. As we head into the city's bustling heart, we're walking through the Ruas de Comercio Local, the streets of local commerce. We specifically wanted to check out this famous street, Rua Cinco de Outubro, or October 5th Street. It's here that we found some of the most beautiful handicrafts, including numerous shops with products made from cork, a material that Portugal is famous for.
Oh, the tie. That's a cool tie. Okay. See? These have... that's what I do back at home. I have these. I put them like that. Store them. See? The layers, they store them like that.
And here we are at the center of it all, Giraldo Square. This is the heart of Evora, where the city's main roads meet. It's the perfect place to sit, have a coffee, and just watch the city life go by.
We don't have enough churches. There's another one. Very high step.
Our next stop is the Royal Church of St. Francis, home to one of the most unique and unforgettable sights in all of Portugal, the Chapel of Bones. Built by Franciscan monks in the 17th century, the walls and columns of this chapel are lined with human bones and skulls. It's a powerful and solemn place. As you enter, you'll see an inscription above the door that reads, "Our bones staying for yours are awaiting." It's a moving reminder of the fragility of life. To end our tour, we headed to the tranquil public garden. This lovely space is home to the remnants of the King Manuel Palace, a former royal residence with a beautiful blend of Gothic and Manueline architecture.
Iron, leftovers of iron keys, door open locks or whatever. They put them together and they made a tree. That's very cool.
But for us, one of the best parts was seeing the peacocks. They roam freely here, adding a special and very colorful touch to the garden as they stroll around a portion of the ancient city wall. It's a peaceful and beautiful way to end our day.